mean, it was fun to film it because it was very difficult for me to crack at that point of time also when I was performing. छोटे बालों में, so I was like, क्या करना है, नहीं करना है, क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. But so I was like, help and नहीं, अगर होगा तो होगा, नहीं होगा तो कोई बात नहीं यार. We'll find some other project to do together. So we were ready in our marks, and then Ajay sir was like, बच्चा, तू भाग. Hey guys, this is Shantanu Maheshwari, and you guys are watching me on IWM Buzz.
Hi everyone, welcome to IWM Buzz. This is Kunal Kothari, and now it's been a norm for me कि मैं बाहर निकलता हूँ और शांतनु से एक आध बार ना मिलूं और बातें ना करूं, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता.
I'm liking this norm.
It is the best thing. We keep chatting off the camera, and on camera is so even more delightful. Hi Shantanu, welcome again.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I mean, okay, let's just सबसे पहले तो let's get the elephant out of the room right
Okay,
away. ठीक
okay.
है, ताकि फिर वो ना लगे कि यार वापस वहीं जा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Okay, fine. Whatever's happening with औरों में कहाँ दम था, secondary story. But what is interesting for me is ना कि जब ऐसे फील होता है ना कि आपको almost unanimous acclaim मिल रहा है, तो वो सचिन वाला फीलिंग है कि सचिन सेंचुरी मार गया, लेकिन इंडियन टीम का क्या हो रहा है? How are you dealing, or how is the feeling for you right now?
It feels great, obviously. I mean, the fact that you've been given a role to play, and then you have kind of managed to get audience engrossed and with you in this whole thing. Yes, there has been mixed reactions with the movie and everything, but it's okay. I mean, the ones who have actually gone and seen it, it ought to happen that you will have mixed reactions, but मतलब there are a lot of people who have gone positive and that movie has stayed with them.
Yeah.
I feel and that is more than happy. It's okay यार, movie का अपना faith होता है. I'm very small in terms of judging anything on those aspects of it, but yeah, I mean, it's okay, but it's still doing well. It's there,
Yeah.
So yeah, people, if you have not seen, go.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Theater में भी देख लो, और ये I think now that gets me to the next question. Abhi, it's become one of those things. If a movie for X or Y reason is not able to get the desired numbers, the next option, and not option, that the next straight away thing is going to OTT.
Yeah.
Right? This film is also going to come whenever it's going to come. Do you have this belief as well that it might find that desired viewership or that attraction on OTT which it isn't able to so far?
I would want to believe that. I mean, to be honest, again, I don't understand these numbers and the whole aspect of analyzing because I'm not very good at this. But I hope and I really wish that once people start watching it wherever they want to, I mean, they would want to watch it. If not theater, then OTT. I think that's happening for all the film.
Yeah,
I
fair.
feel like a lot of people who don't want to go. Like I've been out of late for promotions and for other purpose. And I've been asking them about the views just to understand, like, be it box office, be it understanding the market kind of a thing. So and there has been this whole perception of जब आई OTT पे तब देख लेंगे, अभी नहीं जाने का, ऐसे नहीं निकल रहा, know, because they are very much in the zone of हमको घर के comfort पे देखना है बहुत सारी चीजें. So that's something. It's there. You can't really. It's not in your hands. You have to. Yeah, exactly. You can't fight it. So you need to understand and maybe work on things and अपनी गलतियों से सीखते हैं. So I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ इधर उधर ऊपर नीचे हुआ है. तो I'm sure we'll look into it. As I said, I'm very small person to say about these things. But I'm sure कुछ ना कुछ बड़े लोग सोच रहे होंगे यार.
Of course, no, fair, totally. And we have to talk about Ajay sir because I mean, how can we not? Ajay Devgan, I mean, he's one of those people. Like we were talking about Sanjay Dutt for a completely parallel topic, but people like those, they just come into the room and there is an aura about it, right?
Yeah.
And so, again, if you've seen the film, if you've not seen the film, technically you have one scene together.
Yeah.
Where you've shot
it's
together.
It's like a more of not even a scene, I would say. Yeah.
But yeah, the people who know it, they understand, but you know what I'm talking about, right? So, because what I say that because Sai and Tabu don't really have a scene together, right?
Yep.
You do with Ajay sir, and that must have been someday, because देखो promotion में जो बातें होती है वो बहुत अलग होती है, लेकिन shoot पे बात है. So how was that day at the office?
It was lovely. I was excited, looking forward to be part of that scene, and then so basically that scene is also at one point of time it's at my blind spot where I have to like run
Correct.
and dash.
Yes.
Sir wanted me to go पूरा जोर से भागना, जब देखेगा पहली बार तो कैसे वैसा बोला ओके सर आई विल ट्राई, बट obviously sir is entering and I have no idea what time I'm supposed to maintain. I might just bang into him.
Right.
uh, and then we tried few rehearsals, we did few take, I think one take we did, and then sir was like, we were ready in our marks, and then Ajay sir was like, बच्चा तू भाग, मैं संभाल लूंगा,
मैं
तू
सोई
जा।
चलता हूँ।
हाँ नहीं लाइक मैं संभालूंगा,
तो
मेरी
yeah,
गलती, मेरी अगर कुछ हुआ तो आई विल टेक द थिंग,
Yeah.
यू डू योर थिंग
Yeah.
एंड आई विल मैनेज। अच्छा ठीक है सर बोल रहे तो मैं भागता हूँ जोर से।
Nice.
But what I kind of observed in that scene, because it's a long scene, you know, and I also had time नीचे उतर के मैं देख ही रहा था कि क्या कर रहे हैं सर। So I just felt that he's being a superstar, still taking instructions, being a
Yeah.
director, being able to take instruction in such a humble manner was something which is very inspiring, I felt.
True.
Like उनको जरूरत नहीं है।
जरूरत नहीं है। True,
Yeah.
true. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. And another thing, if you've seen the film, you must have noticed it, but we are here to talk about in that context. You practically went bald.
Huh.
I mean, I would say buzz cut log bolenge, but mere liye it's pretty
Bald.
much bald, right? For one scene.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's unheard of, and especially for someone like Shantanu, I think it's even more unheard of because your hair is another identity.
Yeah, I know.
Isn't it, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So why? Like, how did it come to you, and what was the initial thought, and you just went for it?
Initially, I was not very convinced to do
Yeah.
something like this. And we were trying to, with my management team, I was like, we are trying to, find a mid ground, sir. Prosthetics and कुछ हो सकता है, so it'll be great or something.
Right.
But sir was very specific that no, whoever is going to be doing this role, I mean, I would want him to have like this full proper cut. Initially हमको इतना पता नहीं था इतने छोटे होने वाले हैं, bald ही होने वाले हैं,
Yeah.
but it was like बस कट होगा ऐसा।
Yeah.
So like अच्छा इतना, because I've never seen myself in past like what
Yeah.
10 years
Yeah, of
in
course.
छोटे बालों में। So I was like क्या करना है नहीं करना है क्या समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, but so I was like help and नहीं, अगर होगा तो होगा, नहीं होगा तो कोई बात नहीं यार, we'll find some other project to do together. I was like नहीं यार करते हैं यार, story I am convinced with the story and he is also convinced with me, then why not do it. कभी ना कभी तो किसी ना किसी रोल के लिए करना ही है। So इनसे मैं रोल के लिए कर सकता हूँ, मैं पर्सनल पर्पस के लिए नहीं कर सकता हूँ।
Of
मतलब
course,
अगर
fans
तुम आज
would.
बोलोगे तो घूमते फिरते आज लाल कलर करके आ जाओ, there are a lot of people who want to like I
Right.
want to do like I
Try
just want
and
to try.
just, yeah.
I'm like मेरे से ट्राई नहीं होगा, अगर कोई पर्पस है, कोई मूवी है, कोई रोल है which requires it, then I
Yes,
can do it. So I was
yes.
like this is that thing of like चलो ठीक है करते हैं, करके देखते हैं, and then I can. It's literally it was actually for.
Less than 2 minutes.
It's not about two. मतलब मैं last day of shoot like bald, फिर then fun पूरा गया। I'm like अब shoot है हमारी और literally एक दिन का sequence का है, so yeah.
But did it bother you? I mean, apart from the whole idea of being a little inhibited या तो पहले सोचना, करने के बाद भी ऐसा लगता था कि यार एक सीन के लिए करवाया यार, ये मतलब
It was not that कि एक scene के लिए कराया, to be honest. मतलब it was. I had seen the last shot. I've not seen any of the footage. मतलब in terms of while I was shooting, I had only seen one last shot where I traveled back.
yeah.
Like where Sahi and I,
Going
then
back, yeah.
I wear my
Yes,
spec.
yes.
That shot I had seen. वो थोड़ा longer take था, मतलब पीछे था. And I saw it and it hit me. Like now I know why he was saying something like that.
Correct.
Because it hits you.
Yeah.
When you see that character in this light,
Yeah.
it just hits you.
broken
Yeah,
completely.
yeah. So
Fair.
that's when. मतलब it's like कि जल्दी उग क्यों नहीं रहे बाल, बस यही था उसके बाद. But no
Exactly.
regrets at
I
all.
don't think you can fight that. True, super. Another thing, I love talking about nuances, which is one of the things everybody notices in a film. I'm so intrigued. Why was this a nuance which was so recurring?
Yeah.
You see Ajay Devgan doing
Yeah.
it. You see the younger version Shantanu Maheshwari doing it. But was it like a thing कि directors think कि एक वो बस यही है, or is it like a moment कि this is when he is the most perplexed, the character?
Oh, yeah, that's something that Neeraj sir came up with. That is not something I can take credit की sir ऐसा कुछ कर सकते
Yeah.
नहीं. He had that thought that when he's nervous, when he's like he's puzzled basically.
Yes.
Then that's when it's a natural thing. Like I think sir का कुछ है ये खुद करते हैं sir शायद मुझे ऐसा लगता है because in few of his interviews I have seen
Yeah,
him
he
go
do
like
this.
this. So maybe sir करते होंगे, but it's a very natural thing
Yeah,
and he has caught on to या तो कहीं से देखा होगा या खुद करते होंगे सर, but yeah, I mean he wanted to keep one gesture which could connect with both, like
Absolutely.
yeah, even
Yeah.
the specs नहीं उतारना
Correct.
कहीं कहीं सीन में इसलिए दिखाया नहीं है, जब
I know.
young Krishna is without specs is not shown,
Sure. Exactly.
मतलब उतारते हुए नहीं दिखाया, तो उतरा हुआ ऑलरेडी है
Yeah.
या फिर पहना हुआ
पहना हुआ है.
है, so I mean those are like small
Small,
nuances
but
which he wanted to
that's
keep.
what it makes. Yeah, that's what makes it. Now we'll talk about one thing. I don't know how much are people aware about it, but the Rashomon effect.
Yeah.
I know, we obviously know what it is, you know, but for someone who doesn't know it, Rashomon effect is something where in a particular movie, one scene is constantly played again and again, but with different perspectives.
Yeah.
Which is what Auron Mein Kaha Dham Tha primarily is. But the question I want to ask you about that is what happened is that whatever little bit of a disconnect that people had was not because the scene was coming back again and again, but because there was not much, you know, newness to it, so to speak, right? इस तरह की चीजें suspense thrillers में ज़्यादा देखते हैं because it's a completely different perspective. What do you feel about it? What is your personal take on this?
I would say I would love to hear what Neeraj sir would have to say on this, because I felt there was a lot of things, small things which were changed,
Right.
and I think that's the reason he wanted to keep it that way, not make it larger than life thing कि ये difference है. He wanted to keep it थोड़ा giveaways here and there. If you see, there things have been shot where you can understand that, oh,
Absolutely.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? Oh, ऐसा है. If you're watching it properly, I think that was the idea. I don't think he wanted it कि ऐसा out and out जाकर कि मतलब वही मेरा है. Otherwise, we would have spoken a lot about Rashomon effect like during the promotions as well.
Absolutely.
So I think ये आंसर नीरज सर बेटर दे सकते हैं more than me. Yeah.
No, fair. Because वही होता है ना, because you're so used to watching it in suspense thrillers, mysteries, कि हाँ ठीक है अब कुछ नया आया. And I truly believe that the Rashomon effect worked wonders for the film in a way that you do see new light in one way or another. Fantastic. Coming to my favorite scene of you in the film, because that's the scene I think that told me what Krishna is completely, was the cafe scene. Okay, when he's basically ready to just go away, he's got done and he forgets his keys.
Yeah.
Because that's the first time you see him in a different light.
Yeah.
He's vibrant, very happy-go-lucky guy in a way, but now you see him in a different light, and you believe because it's very easy to be Ajay Devgan and believe that he can kick people. But I think for you, it just is something. What do you feel? Does that scene, was it a transition scene for people to connect with? And what's your favorite scene of yours?
That was one of my audition scene actually.
Super, really?
yeah. That was one of
Amazing.
my audition scene, and at that point of time, I was not being able to understand the transition part of it. For me, it was like a. Initially, I was thinking that Pakya scene was the transition scene.
True.
But when I read the initially, but like first read में होता है ना कि you didn't get that thing. मेरे को पक्या के scene में लगा कि that hits you.
Anger दिखाता है.
But it was opposite when I read it again. I was like कि अच्छा यहाँ से हम लोग build up कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Okay. So that's I mean, it was fun to film it because it was very difficult for me to crack at that point of time. Also, when I was performing, I remember sir taking few more takes for me, saying कि कहाँ पे मीटर बढ़ा, कहाँ पे मीटर छोटा कर, यहाँ पे कर, because I was taking थोड़ा सा time to get that thing right, that nuance right, not overdoing it, but at the same time keeping it in the meter and trying to hit hard, just play with the eyes and not wanting to fight because you're not going to fight it.
Yeah.
The beauty is when you don't have to fight it and you just have to say it
here.
Command. Just have that command in the room that you are the one who is going to take the decision and drive the narrative from here on once I am there in the room. So, and Sir is like that.
Yeah.
So, and it was night.
Yeah.
Sir was like that. Sir is like that. When he's there in the room, by default something will happen where it seems like he's the one who is commanding the situation. And I was like, I went again and we went back again, like my entry shot was happening again. I was like, I just have to be Sir.
Yeah.
Just understand that part of it.
Right.
This small thing connected and clicked in me, and I was like, चलो ठीक है अब करते हैं सर
True.
अभी try करते हैं. Then obviously we did few takes and we got there luckily. So that's how it kind of happened and yeah, it was fun. It was fun.
Super fun, man. Super fun. Because you know that's the fun. You get to talk about the technical aspects so much
Yeah,
more
yeah.
when you finally see the film.
Yeah, because then you are also thinking कि यार ये तो मुझसे हो ही नहीं रहा था.
हाँ.
फिर मैं क्या हुआ क्लिक किया अच्छा ये हुआ था इसीलिए
Right.
सर ने बोला था कि ये करना
ये
होगा.
करना.
So yeah.
Agreed. Finally, Shantanu, in the questions front, everybody has their own takeaway. We are not talking about the
Yeah.
box office anymore, but
Yeah.
what is the takeaway you have from the film? That I don't mean to say a learnings per se, but anything that I think everything stays with you. Whenever you do film, something stays with you.
Yeah.
Something stayed with you after Gangubai.
Yeah,
I'm sure there are
absolutely,
also.
absolutely.
So what's that from Oro that it's gonna stay with you?
Certain kind of calmness, certain kind of ठहराव हम बोलते हैं बहुत
Right.
ज़्यादा, when we acting and performing, that will stay with me. I mean, sometimes it's just very important to not do anything, just let go of everything and just be in the moment. Whatever the action comes,
Yeah.
it will be right. You have to be true to yourself, and it will be right. And yeah, apart from that, just believe in your director. I would say, sometimes it's just the best thing, best habit. Yeah. I mean, one thing which will always also stay with me is of my performance, bit of it. Like when I was watching with my friends and family, last 15 minutes, I have not seen people cry the way they have cried.
Yeah.
And I didn't expect them to cry because they're strong personalities, they're strong people,
Right.
and they had like
Bawling.
yeah. So it was kind of very nice to see. And there are a lot of people,
Yes.
like obviously friends, they were like, it was not just tears for the scene, it was also tears for the fact that you outplayed yourself. We never expected you to do such a good job in whatever you have done. And I was like, wow, I mean, thanks to Neeraj sir that that opportunity was given to me. And
True.
then, yeah. So, yeah.
Absolutely. And I think that's the kind of thing Neeraj Pandey does, Somehow it just instills. Every director, I think, whenever an actor works with a certain director,
Yeah.
completely different thing.
Absolutely.
I think that you know it better. You're talking about Bhansali also. He's done
No.
Bhansali and Neeraj Pandey.
Yeah,
it's just going to get crazy from here.
Hopefully, yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Shantanu.
Thank you.